So, no, this is not the color scheme. No, I messed up my engine cover, right? This was meant to be a tutorial. It went downhill so fast. Just keep watching and I'll explain how this even happened. Yeah, so just yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do your how your ST engine cover. Now, so up until the, while I'm painting the top part of the engine cover white, it was all going good. Use masking tape, don't use clear tape. Clear tape was a red flag, but I still used it because I didn't have anything else. Just yeah, fam, it's a bit nuts. Don't use normal tape, bro. Okay guys, I'm in the bathroom right now. I'm gonna be using cream cleaner to clean this. So I use cream cleaner to clean this engine cover because it gets rid of all the grease and the oil and all of that. So it's definitely a good buy. Go get it. Here's everything that I'm going to be using. We got some grey primer, LP appliance gloss white. What the fuck is that? Now, the reason I sound confused is because I literally got the bag from the guy at Halfords. I didn't even look into the bag. Like, that's how much trust I had in that dude. Took the bag, and then, yeah, I saw it when I got home, and I was like, what is this, bruv? Like, always check your bags, guys. Always check it. Anyway, that, gloss black, clear lacquer, and water to wet sand it. But let's get this badge off. Okay, first. So I'm currently using the sandpaper to sand down the engine cover. It's going well. A little cheeky time lapse right here. And then I'm going to be using the primer to do its first coat, and then I'm going to do the other coats. Yeah, so I'm currently spraying the top part of the engine cover white. It was going good, I done the primer, sanded it down real good, masked off the areas, and I'm doing the top part, and yeah. So, put the second coat on. It's looking lovely, I'm not gonna lie. It came out a bit brighter than I thought. There's some bits which is a bit wet, like along here, can you see it in the camera? So I'm gonna wait for these parts to dry, so when this is dry, I know for a fact that all the other parts are dry. So I'm currently going to be slapping some clear lacquer or some clear coat on this right now. I've done about 4 or 5 base coats, so it's more than thick enough. And yeah, let's put the clear lacquer on and see the finished results, and then I'm going to move on to the black one. But I'm going to let the white one dry first. This is a terrible tape job, but it has to do. So we're going to spray this one black. That's done. Then we're going to put the badge back on and put one more cold coat of lacquer on it, just so it's all good. So that is the second coat done for the black. Love. So I'm going to let that dry, one more coat, should be good. Yeah, so after the last clip, it failed, yeah. So I'm basically scraping off all the white. The layer was thick, so I just scraped it off, and then I sanded it down. And then, yeah, that was my approach to try fixing this issue. I got some masking tape. This costs £2.50, which is a rip-off. So I'm going to mask this up, do the black, and then do that one afterwards. Yeah, simple, love. Yeah, so it's coming out okay. Obviously, if I get up close, you see the imperfections, but don't watch that. We're just going to call that crinkle white, yeah? Let's just call it crinkle white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the clear coat on this one, let that dry overnight, and then when it's completely dried and cured, then I'm going to use the masking tape and tape over this part, this whole little section there, so then I can spray this one black again. So that's the plan of action. So yeah, let me finish it up with the clear coat and call it a day. So I taped along these edges right here. Middle part's going to be black. I'm going to get some paper and put on the other side and lay it across, just so that there's no interference or whatever. I sanded this down already. We just need like one more coat and one more clear coat, and we should all be good. So let's get that done now. I am not taking any chances. This is going to get done properly, bro. Like, I'm going to spray this black. I'm probably going to sand that part down a bit. There's no scratches, it's literally just the tape that was just on it. I'm going to sand this down and then spray it. Let me do that now. Painted properly now, let's get it. Just got to put the badge back in now. It's love. So the whole point of this video is to don't cut corners and never give up, right? Because I was this close to buying a new engine cover. Then I was like, you know what, let me just try to sort this out, right? Sort it out, and I managed to get there in the end. It's not the best, I'm telling you right now, it's not the best, but it could be better. And just do stuff properly. Like, I should have bought masking tape from the get-go. I was already inside, so I didn't really want to go back outside because of lockdown, you know. But yeah, this is the final product of the engine cover. It looks, don't look at it too much here, but it looks okay. It don't look too bad. It looks pretty good in my opinion. So yeah, don't give up. Like I said, short video of me failing. You haters will love this video as always. But yeah, if you like the video, please comment, subscribe, and peace.